Okay, I'm going to briefly go over the dark room. First off, max amount of people that go through this little portal thing at one time will be 3 people. Next. In here, you want to make sure that you push along the sides of the wall. You don't want to lean your body against the wall. And then I like to turn this area. Here's the dark room. Normally it's going to be completely dark. If you're developing film, you'll leave it in the developer for about 5 minutes. It's listed. Then you'll go to the stop bath for about 20 seconds, at least 20 seconds. And then finally you're going to go to the fixer for about a minute. After there, you're going to grab your paper just by the corner of it, bring it over to the sink. You can turn it on, rinse off your paper completely. Once you're done rinsing it off, you can set your paper over here to dry or on one of these wire racks. This stuff will be moved when you are working in here, but the other option is take it back outside. Let's pretend you're just starting to take your film. This light will be off, and the only light that will be on is this red light. My camera isn't able to see everything, but let's pretend the lights was off and you're ready to load your camera. So once you have your camera, the lights are off, I would just put the camera to the side. In this little bag, there's going to be some paper. You'll take out one piece of paper, load it into your camera. Once you've got your camera loaded, then you can take the photo. Then when you come in here, you'll go through the developing process, developer stop bath fixer, rinse it off, and if you want to take more photos, you have the option of more photos. But whatever you do, make sure this bag stays closed and you only take out one piece of paper at a time for developing.